Good evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on X on the future Digibyte OG. So, guys, I want to cover XRP, XLM, DGB real quick. We'll try to do a 5-minute or less update, and then we're going to go into Bitcoin, and then I'll let you guys go. So, with XRP, we're still following the trend. We're coming towards that part of the pattern where we're going to have to decide whether this is going to be a head or it's going to be one big left shoulder, and we're going to push up to about 67 cents before coming back down. We're coming to the end of the trend tonight into tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a very, very, very interesting next 24 hours. We had a small bounce on the futures, which is to be expected. We deal with it every Sunday night, and then in the overnight hours, we generally give it back if we're on a downward trend. Right now, we're still following the upward trend line with XRP, and we have a downward trend line as well that we're staying above and below between the support and resistance. Bitcoin, same deal. We got to go to the 4-hour though, so you guys can see it a little bit easier. That's the top end if it wants to ride that, but the downward resistance is like that. So we're closing in, we're trading between it. Bitcoin, the most likely probability is we would do something like this, or we would follow this to the end and either pop up and then make a, I don't think we'd go that high, but the most likely probability is we're probably going to go like this, and then we're going to work our way down to these support levels. That's the most likely scenario with Bitcoin. We go to XLM, we're trading within the trend line still, we're come a little bit over it right now, so that's why I say the most likely scenario could be something like that. Or if we come back and follow this, we're just going to break down. So you could pop up a little bit, make a top. This would be pretty much your top end that we've been looking at for the last few days. I thought it'd be higher up already, but it kind of got stuck in between this trend line that we drew. So we can actually, now that we've got a little more historical evidence in the 4 hours, we can actually modify that just slightly. So you can see it staying within the trend line. So it's going to have to make a move up or down, and it's about 24 hours. Within 24 hours, it's going to have to make a decision one way or the other for all of these. Didn't even do anything with Doge yet, but XLM we just showed you, and now we'll go to DGB. So DGB had that nice little run off the top. So that's what I was talking about earlier. Are we going to get a kick up like that? And it seems like DGB kind of did. We've got one of these type of down-sloping trend lines. So I said DGB still got a little bit to go, but it's going to make a decision with the rest of these. DGB's most likely would be to double top, run out, and then come down. If that's a double top, but like I said earlier, if we're running these like shoulders and that went up, that's an overshot right shoulder, and then it can do something like that. Last one I want to end with is ZIL. We've got that uptrending support line. Son of a bitch. With ZIL, something like that. That's not even that good. But you can do something like that. You got down-sloping support or resistance. So, T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire at the side bet on X on the future Digibyte OG. If you want to donate, links in the description. If you want to subscribe to the channel, links also in the description. Stay true, stay blessed. Watch these trend lines. I'll come back in a little bit. We're looking for these to finish off these triangles we're in. So stay blessed.